सनफीस्ट डार्क फैंटेसी का प्रतिष्ठित फैंटेसी स्पेसशिप दक्षिण और पश्चिम भारत के प्रमुख शहरों बेंगलोर, चेन्नई, मुंबई और हैदराबाद आदि से अपनी सफल यात्रा जारी रखते हुए राष्ट्रीय अंतरिक्ष दिवस 23 अगस्त के उपलक्ष्य में दिल्ली पहुंचा। ब्रांड के अभिनव अभियान बिग फैंटेसीज अपनी कल्पना को पंख दे के तहत इस स्पेसशिप का उद्देश्य कला और तकनीक का मिश्रण करके बच्चों में रचनात्मकता और कल्पनाशीलता जगाना है। शहर भर के बच्चों को नेहरू तारामंडल में रुके फैंटेसी स्पेसशिप का अनुभव करने का मौका मिला। बस 17 सितंबर तक दिल्ली में रहेगी और इसके बाद ये शहर के विभिन्न स्कूलों जैसे रायन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, मॉडर्न एकेडमी, ग्लोरियस पब्लिक स्कूल, आकांश इंटरनेशनल स्कूल और अन्य में जाएगी। बच्चे ब्रांड की इस अनोखी पहल का अनुभव करते रहेंगे। कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि भारत की सबसे कम उम्र की अंतरिक्ष यात्री जानवी डांगेटी ने बताया कि कैसे कल्पनाशीलता एक बच्चे के समग्र विकास का मूलभूत पहलू है और यह उनमें रचनात्मकता और समस्या समाधान कौशल को कैसे बढ़ावा देती है।
The Dark Fantasy is such an it gave me a whole different new experience in India for the first time because it actually gave the simulation and kind of 8D effect that make me feel like actually we are launching into something different, and it's super fun for the kids, like very young kids. They'll feel excited and they'll start actually looking into this thing, like what exactly it is, how it is working, and then that gives a different motivation for kids.
So basically the entire objective was to unleash their creativity and so that they can think beyond.
Yes, it actually helps, these kind of initiatives help kids to think beyond the things that they're actually like beyond the textbook, and learn more about it and get that enthusiasm to learn like how the things are working beyond Earth. So it was such an amazing experience, and looking forward to many such initiatives by Dark Fantasy. Thank you.
Any message for the youth?
For the youth?
Yeah.
Anyone who wants to pursue their career in space, I would recommend them to start working in STEM initiatives, because the basic thing for anyone is a degree in STEM, and they can be a part of space and start working in different workshops and internships, gain as much as skill you can, as much as knowledge and experience you can. That will definitely help you and add value and help the nation to build more technology for the space in the future. Thank you. I'm an analog astronaut from India and a space enthusiast, and today I'm here at Nehru Planetarium, Delhi for National Space Day Celebrations 2025. Today we had so many projects, witnessed so many projects, many young minds coming up with so much of lunar research. At their age, it's very impressive to see their work, and super happy and super proud to be a part of this whole event. And kids, with all the success that India is bringing up forward for the future missions and the current missions and the previous missions that they did, is giving so much motivation and inspiration for young minds to come in this field and work on that. And being so young, and they're developing a whole new Chandrayaan-4 rover and the whole mission, and that's something we should really appreciate and encourage. And thank you so much for the ministry for providing such opportunity for young kids. Thank you so much.